Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to read a sweet little story called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee, said D to EFG. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. A chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. That's a lot of letters up that tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP and QRS and TUV. Still more WXYZ, the whole alphabet up the oh no! Chicka chicka boom boom. Get scat scoodle doot flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Poor alphabet. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skin-kneed D, and stub-toed E, and patched-up F. Then come G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I, J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle, doop, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P, QRS, and loose-toothed T. Then UVW, wiggle, jiggle, free. Last to come, XYZ, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, oh no. Bye guys.